Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the job you trained for, struggled for, and built your identity around no longer exists. Not because you failed, but because a machine learned how to do it better. This is not science fiction. This is not a warning about some distant future. This is the reality unfolding right now, and by 2026, artificial intelligence will be responsible for one of the largest workforce transformations in human history. From offices and factories to hospitals and creative studios, AI is no longer just assisting humans, it is replacing them. Companies aren't adopting AI out of curiosity, they're doing it for survival, speed, and profit. And the most unsettling part? Many of these technologies are already deployed, quietly reshaping industries while the world debates whether it's happening at all. In this documentary, we uncover the top 10 AI technologies taking over jobs in 2026, how they work, who they are replacing, and what this shift means for the future of human labor itself. Generative AI and large language models. The most disruptive AI technology in 2026 is generative AI powered by large language models. These systems can read, write, reason, translate, summarize, and even code with near-human fluency. Entire departments once dedicated to writing reports, drafting emails, creating presentations, and analyzing documents are being reduced or eliminated. Law firms use AI to draft contracts. Marketing agencies use it to write campaigns. Software companies rely on it to generate code. What once required teams of junior professionals can now be done by a single AI system supervised by one human. The biggest impact is not just job loss but career collapse. Entry-level roles that once trained future experts are disappearing. Without those stepping stones, entire professions are being reshaped. Generative AI doesn't replace one worker at a time. It replaces layers of organizational structure, accelerating productivity while shrinking human presence. AI customer service chatbots and voice systems. Customer service has become one of the first major casualties of AI automation. Advanced chatbots and voice AI systems now handle customer inquiries with speed, accuracy, and emotional simulation that rivals human agents. These systems can understand accents, detect frustration, and resolve issues without escalation. Banks, airlines, telecom companies, and e-commerce platforms deploy AI agents that operate 24 hours a day, across multiple languages, without salaries or breaks. By 2026, many call centers operate with minimal human staff, reserved only for rare or complex cases. Millions of routine interactions, once handled by people, are now fully automated. Entire outsourcing economies are being disrupted as companies realize AI can deliver better service at a fraction of the cost. The human voice on the other end of the line is rapidly becoming optional. Robotic process automation in office work. Behind the scenes, robotic process automation is silently replacing white-collar office jobs. RPA systems are software bots designed to perform repetitive digital tasks: data entry, payroll processing, invoice handling, scheduling, compliance checks, faster and more accurately than humans. These bots don't learn like humans do, they execute flawlessly at scale. By 2026, companies use RPA to automate entire workflows that once required dozens of administrative workers. Clerks, assistants, junior accountants, and operations staff are among the most affected. What makes RPA especially dangerous for job security is its invisibility. Unlike robots on a factory floor, these bots work quietly inside computers, making human roles disappear without public attention. The office of the future looks efficient, digital, and eerily empty. Why? AI-driven industrial robots. Manufacturing has entered a new era powered by AI-driven industrial robots. Unlike traditional machines that follow rigid instructions, modern robots can see, learn, and adapt. They use computer vision to detect defects, machine learning to optimize movements, and predictive systems to prevent downtime. By 2026, factories rely heavily on these intelligent machines for assembly, inspection, welding, and packaging. Human workers who once performed these tasks are either retrained into supervisory roles or removed entirely. Even skilled technicians are affected, as AI systems can now self-correct and improve over time. The result is faster production, lower costs, and fewer humans on the factory floor. Manufacturing is no longer about manpower, it's about machine intelligence. Autonomous vehicles and AI logistics. Transportation and logistics are being transformed by autonomous AI systems that move goods without human drivers. Self-driving trucks are tested on highways. Warehouse robots navigate massive facilities with precision. Delivery drones and sidewalk robots handle last-mile logistics. By 2026, partial autonomy alone is enough to reduce demand for drivers, loaders, and dispatchers. Logistics companies prioritize speed, efficiency, and safety, and AI delivers all three without fatigue. Long-haul trucking, one of the most common jobs in many countries, faces unprecedented disruption. While regulations slow full automation, the economic pressure to adopt AI logistics is relentless. The supply chain of the future moves without human hands on the AI in healthcare diagnostics and administration. Healthcare is not immune to automation. AI systems now analyze medical scans, predict disease risks, monitor patient data, and automate administrative tasks. Radiology, pathology, and diagnostic support roles are especially affected, as AI can process images faster and with increasing accuracy. Hospitals also use AI to manage scheduling, billing, and patient records, reducing the need for clerical staff. By 2026, AI handles much of the behind-the-scenes work that once supported doctors and nurses. While human judgment remains critical, fewer humans are needed to deliver the same level of care. Healthcare becomes more efficient, but also more algorithm-driven. AI financial analysis and risk systems. The finance industry is rapidly replacing human analysts with AI-powered decision systems. These technologies assess credit risk, detect fraud, monitor compliance, and analyze markets in real time. By 2026, banks and financial institutions rely on AI to make or recommend decisions that once required teams of analysts. Junior roles are disappearing as algorithms outperform humans in speed and consistency. AI doesn't panic, speculate emotionally, or get tired. It evaluates numbers relentlessly. As a result, finance becomes less human, more mathematical, and far more automated. The suits remain, but many desks are now occupied by algorithms. AI content creation in media and marketing. Creative industries once believed they were safe from automation. That belief has collapsed. AI now writes articles, designs graphics, edits videos, generates music, and produces marketing content at scale. By 2026, media companies and brands use AI to generate vast amounts of content in minutes. Entry-level writers, designers, and editors are hit hardest, as AI handles production while humans focus on strategy and branding. Creativity hasn't disappeared, it's been industrialized. The creative economy now produces more content than ever, with fewer humans involved. And making it. AI recruitment and HR automation. Hiring has become algorithmic. AI systems screen resumes, analyze video interviews, assess personality traits, and predict job performance. By 2026, many companies rely on AI to handle recruitment, onboarding, performance tracking, and workforce analytics. Human recruiters are reduced to oversight roles. Entire HR departments shrink as AI processes thousands of candidates instantly. Employment decisions increasingly come from data, not dialogue. The irony is powerful. AI is not just taking jobs, it's deciding who gets hired at all. Humanoid robots and general-purpose AI workers. The most unsettling technology on this list is humanoid robotics. These are AI-powered machines designed to move, interact, and work like humans. While still emerging, by 2026 they are being tested in warehouses, retail spaces, and service environments. Their goal is simple: perform multiple tasks across different industries. Once perfected, a single humanoid robot could replace several human workers. This represents the convergence of physical and cognitive automation, the final frontier of job replacement. When machines can both think and move like us, no job is entirely safe. The rise of artificial intelligence is not a villain story, but it is a reckoning. Jobs are not disappearing because humans are failing, but because machines are evolving faster than society can adapt. History shows that every technological revolution creates new opportunities, but this one moves at unprecedented speed. The challenge of 2026 is not stopping AI, it's preparing humanity. Skills like creativity, emotional intelligence, ethics, and complex problem-solving matter more than ever. The future of work will belong to those who learn to work with machines, not compete against them. AI is taking over jobs, but the real question is whether humans will redefine their value before the machines redefine it for them.